Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use concatenate function. So I have two examples in this DOM. So I have first name and last name, then I have domain names which are ending with .com. So I want to combine these two scenarios. Let's do this. So in column E I'm going to write concatenate function equals to, select from the drop down, and then I'm going to select the first cell reference and then second, close the parenthesis, hit enter. Now you can see the drop down is automatically suggesting me to apply the same formula for other cells as well. So I'm going to click on OK. So now you can see the both names have been added together. I'm going to apply the same thing to this example and test.com. So here equals to concatenate, select concatenate and then first cell comma second, close the parenthesis and hit enter. Now you can see example.com has been combined, and also I want to autofill the results for rest of the cells. So test.com has been added together. So this is how you can use concatenate function and make your life easier. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in next video.